Welcome back to Responsible Economy. Today, we are bringing you a brand new video. Truist Certificates of Deposit. In this video we will show you the interest rate offered, terms, fees, and requirements. As usual, at the end of this video, you will have a comparison with the 13 best certificates of deposit that you can open in the United States in 2023. You will also have more related content in the description of this video. Let's begin. The maximum interest rate you can get with the Truist Certificate of Deposit is 4.25% APY, with a term of 9 months. This interest rate is not competitive because, as we will see later, many banks are offering certificates of deposit above 4.5% APY, and some banks already exceed 5% APY. You can choose a minimum term of 9 months and a maximum of 12 months. Most banks offer terms between 1 month and 60 months, but Truist only lets you choose 9 or 12 months. This is another negative feature of this certificate of deposit. To open this certificate of deposit, you need to make a minimum deposit of $1,000. This is another bad feature of this certificate of deposit because there are banks that offer certificates of deposit with no minimum amount. Truist Certificate of Deposit has no monthly fees, and opening the certificate of deposit is free. Also add that Truist is member to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, so your money is insured up to $250,000. Even if Truist goes bankrupt, your first $250,000 would be safe. In the case of opening a joint certificate of deposit, the insured money is $500,000. If you withdraw the money before the maturity date, you will have to pay commissions. Truist doesn't provide information on commissions. There are many banks that offer certificates of deposit without penalties, but this is not the case with Truist. If you think you may need the money before the term agreed with the bank, it is better that you open a savings account. Both here above and in the description, you have the best savings accounts in the United States. To open a certificate of deposit with Truist, you don't need to have a checking account with this bank. In the process of opening the certificate of deposit, Truist will ask for your social security number and account number in the United States. With only these documents you can open the CD. On this slide you are seeing the yields and terms. At 9 months you have 4.25% APY, at 12 months 4% APY. The maximum term of the Truist Certificate of Deposit is 9 months. It is much lower than most banks. Remember that it is very important to choose the terms well, because if we withdraw the money before maturity date, we have penalties. This means that if we deposit $100,000 with a term of 9 months, the interest generated would be $3,070. The more money you deposit and the longer the term, the higher the interest will be. Finally, you are seeing a comparison of the best certificates of deposits that you can open in the United States in 2023. As you can see, there are 13 banks that offer certificates of deposit with an interest rate higher than 4.5% APY. Both here above and in the description, you have the complete video with the characteristics of each certificate of deposit. For this reason, our conclusion is that Truist Certificate of Deposit is not competitive because the interest rate it offers is low compared to the best certificates of deposit. You can only choose 2 terms, and it is not available in all states. We hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask us, and we will try to solve it in less than 48 hours. You can also subscribe to receive videos every day and visit us at Responsible Economy website, and remember that you have more links in the description. Have a nice day.